Hello students, today let's learn about in circle. You have a triangle. So this is triangle ABC. In circle is the circle inside a triangle. So here you can see you have a triangle ABC and inside the triangle you have a circle. Therefore this circle is called in circle. You have a center point which is denoted as I. I means it is in center. Now how you get this in circle? Bisectors of all angles of triangle ABC, which means bisector of angle A, this one, that is AI, bisector of angle C, CI, and bisector of angle B, that is BI. All the three bisectors of this triangle ABC join at a point, and this point you take as in center, or taking this point as center of the circle, you draw the circle. So this is from here to any one side, that is your radius of the circle. From I to any one side of triangle, you can take either here or either here or either here. This distance is your radius. By taking that as radius, you draw the circle. Now let's see how to draw a in circle step by step. In order to draw a in circle, you have to use scale, pencil, rounder and protractor. Without these things, you cannot construct a in circle. You have a question here, practice at 6.3, question number 1. Construct triangle ABC such that angle B is equal to 100 degree, BC is equal to 6.4 centimeter, angle C is equal to 50 degree, and construct its in circle. First you have to draw a base of 6.4 centimeter. Then you will take angle B as 100 degree and angle C as 50 degree. In order to take angle B as 100 degree, you will keep your protractor over angle B. Then you will measure from right side 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. You will mark your 100 degree here. Then you will join this mark and the angle B. Now this is your 100 degree. Let's take angle C as 50 degree. Again you will keep your protractor over angle C and you will count from left side 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You will mark here. Now you will join this mark and angle C and extend the line so that it touches the previous line. Now you got two lines. Now you will take this point as A. Now you have constructed your triangle ABC. Next step is construction of in circle. For that you have to take the perpendicular bisectors of any two angles of this triangle ABC. Let's take angle B and angle C. In order to draw the perpendicular bisector of angle B, first we will mark two arcs. We will take one small arc here and one small arc here. Randomly we have to mark. Let this distance be equal to 1 centimeter. Yes, 1 centimeter. From here one small arc, from here 1 centimeter small arc on both sides. Now we are taking the perpendicular bisector of angle B. For that, first step is marking two small arcs, one over here and one over here. This distance again depends on you. Don't take larger distances. You have to take in between 2 centimeters. Now I have taken 1 centimeters. From here, from both the arcs, you have to draw now again two arcs. Again for this you have to take distance. I am taking here nearly 4 centimeters. This distance is 4 centimeter. Okay. From one of the small arc you will draw a arc here, and from here also you will draw a arc here, Now you got both the arcs. Where they meet, that point you have to take. This point is somewhere here. Now you will join that point and this B. Now this is your perpendicular bisector of angle B. In the same way, we will draw the perpendicular bisector of angle C. For that also, same steps. First you will draw two small arcs. From these small arcs, again you will take 4 or 5 centimeters. Keeping on one of the small arc, you will draw a larger arc. From another small arc also you will draw a larger arc. Now you got two arcs here and they join at this point. Now you will join this point and the point C and you will get a perpendicular bisector. Next, both the perpendicular bisector will join at a point. You can see there, that point you will mark as I, that is, it is in center. In order to draw a perpendicular bisector from I, you have to keep this rounder over I. Then what you have to do is you have to draw two arcs over this base, that is BC, such a way that you will get two arcs. One arc here and one more arc here. Have drawn an arc here over BC. Where this arc touches the BC, that you have to take as the point. Now this arc touches here, therefore this is the point, and other side touches here, therefore this is the point. Now you have to concentrate only on these 2 points. Again you have to take say 4 centimeter. Distances are random. From here one arc and from here one more arc. Both these arcs meet at a point. Now you have to join this point I and this point and point I. Now you have to take this point as D. You can give any name. And in order to draw in circle, you have to take this distance, that is ID. ID as the radius. This is your radius of the in circle, ID. Now let's draw the in circle. Carefully see how I am drawing. I hope you are able to see. Then you will draw in this way the circle. Center point should not be changed. Now you have to see this circle have touched all the 3 sides of the triangle. This circle should not come inside the triangle or outside the triangle. It should be touching the sides. Here also it has touched, here also it has touched, and here also it has touched. Therefore your circle is perfect. Now this is your in circle.